Hello everyone. So ayan no, nagkaroon tayo ng trade today for gold, July 21, 2026. I have shared this sa live stream natin sa Black App. And sabi ko, bullish tayo for gold. Ngayon, around here, hindi ako nakatrade kasi sabi ko, hinihintay natin yung confirmation natin from 4-hour time frame, which is ito. Here, look at this. If you're going to take a look at yung 4-hour time frame, hindi ganun ka-clear kasi meron tayong consolidation na nangyari here, accumulation. Okay? Now, kailan ko masasabi na, okay, we are possibly bullish na? Here, once ma-disrespect yung fair value gap which is turned into an inversion sa higher H4 time frame. Here, yan. Ito rin yung naging note ko during our live sa Block Up kaninang morning. Okay, so sabi ko, once mag-confirm yan, you can look for a retracement dito sa inversion ng H4 time frame or 4-hour time frame here. Then you can look for a long setup. Okay, so saan yung long ko dito? Around dito sa fair value gap here. Yung area na yan. Oops, mark ko lang. Yan yung long natin for our fair value gap. And then, stop loss ako around here, dito sa swing low na to. After nating mag-retrace, nagkaroon tayo ng bagong SMT formation here. By the way, bakit naging reversal area to? Here. Nagmark ako ng standard deviation projection, reversal area, which is standard deviation projection negative 3.5 to negative 4 here. Now, since hindi na valid itong projection na to, nagkaroon ako ng bagong projection around here, which is around standard deviation projection, negative 3.5 to negative 4 din. Right? Tapos, pagdating dito, nagkaroon tayo ng OB confirmation dito. Tapos, order block confirmation again here. Pagkaangat niya, ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy na yung price to target our buy side liquidity here and another buy side liquidity here. So, ang trade ko dyan is nasa almost 4 hour. Ayan, ganyan lang. Dito lang tapos na. Okay. By the way, meron tayong bagong community for beginners. And also, welcome din naman yung mga experienced traders. Diyan lang kayo. Ayan. Ito yung link natin. tradesbymerc.com. And almost every day, nagla-live tayo sa Black App. Follow lang kayo sa TikTok. Yan, ganyan. Okay? Ayun lang. I hope nag-learn ka dito. Sana i-share mo yung video and also like and subscribe. Yan lang. Thank you so much and bye-bye.